Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Facebook page to Instagram account. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, switch mode to your Facebook page. So now this is my Facebook page. So now what I'm going to do is go to my menu page. Now right here on menu page, just tap on settings. So now right here you can see page settings and then linked accounts. Now just tap on link accounts to link your Instagram or your WhatsApp account to your Facebook page. And then just tap on Instagram to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Now just tap on connect account. So what you're going to do now is just to log in to your Instagram account. Now just tap on continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.